Inside the third quarter.
13 Pro Max, ano?
Change score. Big uno na.
Amat pwede mo sa
Darling.
13. Oh, siguro mo naman dito. Pero ang tiba tangan mo ka mga
Karon ko na ba human og Domingo?
Sila na nimo matigyan mo.
Uno na.
Bulan o
Basketball.
sa bulan.
Mga taman December.
Oh, noon.
Salsida.
Inbound by Salcedo.
Awala! Kurtuba! Awala! Kurtuba!
To Cordoba. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba nag-iisip. Cordoba lumipad. Wala nakuha ni Salcida. Ito foul. May sumabit. Who's foul rep? Kinsay foul ato rep? Foul committed by
Sada gyud karon kay
Lumigid to get your second personal foul first. Team foul. 2 shots for Salceda.
Mga 50,000 po doon eh.
First protect.
Sarang may ginag isa.
Ayaw, maka-adapt na
Pag
ginagawa
next.
sa
Ang
mga
mga
17
tartin
na.
Number 3 for the last throw.
Kaya ba't sa mga 2020 na tartin?
Jumper ready for the last
Kita
throw.
karon nga iPhone 13 Pro Max na 1 terabyte barato.
Last throw. Wala. 1 point all in all. Salceda. Arulne for the rebound. Pass to Luggoban. Luggoban to lumigid. Istokonen. You are seeing the glass. Yes, Tonik. 2 point is Istokonen. One up connection. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba nag-iisip. Nakita kapasahan pa si Salceda. Salceda lumusan. Itadak ni Pakodan yung si glass. Yes, Tonik. 2 point Pakodan. One a powerful move by Dan Lowe. Gusto ko na yung dribbling na ball yan. Harulne. Lumuswan. It's a foul. May
Grabe nga
sumalit.
namok.
Foul committed by Wos. Foul rep committed by Cordoba. Cordoba, you get your first personal foul first. Team foul. Makarandan di ay. Sorry. Makarandan, Randor. Makarandan, you get your second
Nansilan.
personal foul first. Team foul. First to attempt. No good.
Mabaw dire. Dito ha bro.
Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw, connect. 1 point all in all, Mr. Harrione. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba nag-iisip ng ginagapasan. Pass to Salceda intercepted by Estoconeng. Walang katao tae. Yusing na glass. Walang nakuha ni Cordoba. Cordoba. Pass to Makarandan. Yusing the glass. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Eta foul. May sumabit again. Foul committed by Harrione. Harrione get your first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Salceda. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Third quarter. First attempt. No good.
Una.
Jumper ready for the last throw. Last throw connect. 1 point all in all. Mr. Salceda. Ono Knights basketball. Grabe hasul ba iring itong. Ono Knights basketball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Salceda for the inbound. Pass to Cordoba. Musok. Foul committed by Lumigid. Lumigid to get your third personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Cordoba. Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. First throw attempt. No good. Masyadong malakas. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw attempt. Wala gitna niya kanyo. Rebound by Arone kita ko ang bola. Arone nagmamadali lumusot. Kita ka lugkuban. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Istoconeng. Lugkuban missing the glass. It's a foul. May foul committed by Pakodan. You get your first personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Third quarter. First throw attempt. No good. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw. Sa trip. Early entry. Early entry is up. Last attempt. Last throw, wala. Rebound by Salceda. Pass to Cordoba. Cordoba to Pangulan. Intercepted by Dominguez. Out of bounds. Submitted by Dominguez. Uno Knights basketball. Pakudan to Salceda. Salceda nag-iisip. Salceda. Pass to Pakudan. Yata ka Cordoba. Tumera ng tres. Wala na kuha ni out of bounds. Scatter basketball. Reserve substitution. Team Uno Knights. Dominguez walang katawa tayo sa tres. Wala. Nakuha ni Stokoneng. Pass to Lumigid to Dominguez tumera ng tres. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni sino nakanawa nun? Si Salceda dripping the ball. Salceda. Haras ba Stokoneng? Salceda 15 seconds set clock by Salceda. Nakalisod. Nakuha ni Pakudan. Number 2.
Pakudan, no?
2 points, Mr. Pakudan. Dominguez dribbling the ball. Dominguez lumipat sa area. Yes, connect. 2 points, Mr. Dominguez. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba kitabok ang bola. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Third quarter. Cordoba nag-iisip. 15 seconds set clock. Cordoba crossover. Cordoba kitabok ang bounce. Same ball position. Uno Knights basketball. Substitution. Gawas ang mugawas. Sulod ang musulod. 10 seconds shot clock. Inbound by Micarte. Micarte to Lapid. No direct. It's a traveling violation committed by Lapid. Dancing with the music. Time remaining 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Third quarter. Is scatter basketball. Lumingid to Ariole. Dribbling the ball. Ariole. Nangita ka pa saan mas Dominguez lumipat sa area. Connect 2 points, Mr. Dominguez. Inbound by Cordoba. Pakudan to Lapid. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Third quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. Pakudan. The ball goes using the glass wall. Rebound by rebound. Si Pakudan again. Nakuha ni Ariole dribbling the ball. Ariole intercepted by Cordoba. Pero nakuha ni Lumigid. It's a foul. Football ref. Foul committed by Cordoba. Ang set pala trip. Cordoba you get your first personal foul. Third team foul. Third quarter. First throw, wala. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. Third quarter. Last throw, jumpers ready. Connect, 1 point all in all, Mr. Lumigid. Cordoba to Micarte dribbling the ball. Micarte, then the back. Micarte gipugot. It's a foul. Blocking foul committed by Stokoneng. You get your third personal foul. 4-team foul warning, 4-team penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Micarte nag-iisip. 10 seconds to shoot that ball. Micarte. Kitagang ka Cordoba using the glass sa ilalim. Yes, connect ka points, Mr. Cordoba. Ariole. So, Lumigid to Dominguez. Dribbling the ball. Dominguez. 15 seconds shot clock. Dominguez na kinakapasahan. Lugguban. Iboldos. Wala na kuha ni Cordoba. Cordoba, 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 Lape, Lape, Lape to, Salceda, Gitagata. May kati, gusto ko na eh. Stay by Lape. Lape na agaw ang bola. Lape crossover. Lape intercepted to Dominguez. Side step. Yes, connect. Goes Pontos, Mr. Dominguez. 7 minutes, 30 seconds, third quarter. Cordoba, pass Salceda, break. Salceda, side step sa ilalim. Wala, nakuha ni Lumigid. Last 18 seconds, third quarter. Last 15 seconds. Dominguez, fake. Dominguez to Merandres. Lasa ang Martes. Bang! 3 puntos, Mr. Dominguez. Last 10 seconds, third quarter. Nakuha ni Cordoba. Last 5 seconds. Cordoba. Ito ang foul by Sumabit. Foul committed by Luke Goban, you get your first personal foul. Team penalty. 2 free throws for Cordoba. Time remaining, last 2 seconds. Cordoba, first throw, connect. Jack Burns ready for the last throw. Last 2 seconds, Jack. Last throw, connect. 2 points all in all, Mr. Cordoba. 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Score 33 all. Walang labis, walang pula.